Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Sweetcrispy folding 3-step ladder stool, lightweight, 800 pounds sturdy, with anti-slip feet. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: superior construction and design. This step ladder is meticulously crafted with durable, high-quality materials that guarantee long-lasting performance. This collapsible ladder can withstand heavy-duty use up to 800 pounds. The ladder provides an essential tool for homeowners looking for a robust, reliable, and safe climbing solution for various domestic chores. Convenient 3-step design. With its unique 3-step design, this folding step ladder offers you the perfect height for various tasks. It's an excellent solution for reaching high shelves, changing light bulbs, cleaning, painting, or simply attaining hard-to-reach spots in your home. Safe and secure. This folding step ladder prioritizes user safety. The steps are made wide to keep your feet comfortable and maintain balance while standing. Moreover, this ladder is furnished with non-slip foot mats to ensure safe footing even when used on smooth surfaces. This ensures a sturdy and secure platform for you to execute your tasks safely. Space-saving folding design. This step ladder folds down flat for easy storage. The compact and lightweight design allows you to tuck it away under a bed, behind a door, or in a closet when not in use. Its portable nature means it can easily be carried around the house or taken outside without hassle. Multifunctional ladder. Aptly designed for adults and older kids, the ladder is perfect for a variety of household chores or professional tasks. Whether you need it in the kitchen, bathroom, garage, garden, or office, this step ladder has got you covered. Ideal for both commercial and residential use. Please note, always ensure to use the step stool with maximum caution. Ensure the ladder is properly opened and stationed on a flat surface before climbing. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.